Today we are going to learn about the difference between our home directory and our root directory. So root directory simply is the mother of all directories. Okay, so if there can be many child, but the many child could have only one mother. Okay, so it is not possible for a child to have two mother two mother at once. Okay, that's impossible. So root directory is the mother. Okay, so now if we will type something like pwd, then we can find that here we are inside the root directory. So how can we conclude that we are inside root directory? Because it is starting from /sign and it is not saying something like home. Okay, so we are inside root directory. So we have talked about root directory. Now we will talk about the child. Okay, so child means home directory. So it's sudo. If you will type something like sudo user add -m, and you have to type up to this, and you can name anything. For example, I want to name it at prac 123. Okay, so this is my new home. Okay, and now if I will type pwd, I will find out that I am inside the root directory. So how could I go inside the home directory? Okay, so in order to go inside the home directory, I will just type su space and prac, what was my name, 123. Okay, it will ask for password, but currently I do not need no password, so I will type roughly anything. It will not show anything. Okay, so I will type sudo password ass prac 123, and you can type any password. I will type, okay, the password will not be so, do not get worried about that. Okay, the password was updated. So now if I type su space prac, I could type the password which I just write. Okay, now I am inside the now if I will type pwd, I am inside my home directory. Okay, so what is home directory? Home directory is the child, and home directory always begins from /home, something like that, but root directory begins from /. And if we want to switch from our root directory to our home, from our home directory to our root directory, then we can simply type cd and then type this. Okay, now if I will type pwd, I'll find out that I have switched from my home directory to root directory. Okay, absolute beginning. And so this is all about difference between root directory and home directory. So in the conclusion, I want to say that if root directory is the parent mother, then user or home directory is the child, and the home directory or user is made for some kind of specific purpose. There could be many users or home directory, but there could be only one root directory.